Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Lex Ravina here from Revenues Rebellion. Did you know you can turn $500 into a business that makes you $10,000 a month in just a year and a half? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real success story from Kevin Liu, a guy who turned his side hustle into a full-time mobile detailing business, making over $10K a month. If he can do it with $500 in his pocket and no fancy degree, so can you. Stick around and I'll show you how. Today, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge. So how did Kevin go from loathing his 9-to-5 insurance gig to making $10K a month with a mobile detailing business? Well, it's all about starting small, making big moves, and never giving up. Kevin didn't start with a huge capital or years of business experience. Nope. In fact, he started in 2020 with a simple idea. What if I could make money cleaning cars? He already loved cars and had some experience detailing for family and friends on weekends. But he was stuck in a job that didn't excite him. Here's the kicker. He hated starting every day, so he Googled side hustles. That's when he found the idea of mobile detailing. It was cheap to start, it played into his passion, and the margins, over 50%. So Kevin bought some basic equipment. $200 for a pressure washer, a vacuum, and chemicals. And with just $300 left, he invested in Facebook ads. That's how he made his first customer. Now, here's where it gets wild. Kevin started his business with just $500. That's right, just $500. But let's break it down. $200 for your basic gear, vacuum, pressure washer, chemicals. $100 for Facebook ads. $200 for a used car. He went with a cheap, reliable ride, the Scion XB. Think about that for a second. If you only had $500 to start a business, could you do it? Most people think they need thousands to start. But Kevin proved that if you can hustle and use the resources you have, you can get your foot in the door. So, what did Kevin do once he started booking jobs? He didn't just take whatever came his way. He learned fast. The biggest mistake he made early on? Polishing an RV with the wrong products. The paint messed it up, and he had to go back, correct the job, and eat the cost. It sucked, but it was a learning experience. That's the reality of starting any business. But Kevin didn't stop. He learned to upsell. When detailing a car, he would offer add-ons like cleaning the engine bay or shampooing the carpets. That's an extra $50 per car. He was constantly looking for ways to increase revenue without increasing the cost of goods. And that's the magic formula for growing your business. Upsell, upsell, upsell. Let's talk scaling. After about a year and a half, Kevin quit his day job in insurance. He was making $10,000 to $12,000 a month, all from detailing cars. But even when you make good money, scaling is the hardest part. Kevin knew that in order to double his revenue, he had to add more cars to the fleet. More cars equals more jobs, right? And with that, he'd need more employees. Kevin's plan? Increase the fleet from 2 cars to 4 and hire more employees to handle the extra work. This is what many business owners struggle with, trusting someone else to represent your business and maintaining quality control while you scale. But it's the only way to grow. One of Kevin's major tools for growth? Google Ads. He was spending around $500 a month on ads, and it worked like a charm. But here's the thing. Google Ads only work if you have the right keywords. Kevin learned to target specific phrases like mobile detailing your city to make sure he showed up in local searches. When your keywords are on point, you don't even have to run ads full-time. You can just switch them on when demand peaks. Kevin also knows that great customer service is everything. He responds to emails within 24 hours, answers the phone on the second ring, and replies to texts within an hour. It's simple, but it works. Good communication can be the difference between a one-time customer and a loyal, recurring one. Okay, so let's say you're ready to start with that $200 budget. Kevin's advice: invest in the essentials. A vacuum cleaner. Kevin bought a used one for $20. Microfiber towels, you can get a pack for under $20. Car cleaning chemicals, Aim for about $60. With this setup, you can start your mobile detailing business. It doesn't matter if you're using your personal car or public transport. You don't need a fancy storefront. You just need to hustle and stay lean. So what are the main takeaways from Kevin's journey? Start small. You don't need thousands to get started. Just $500 to $1,000 can do the trick if you know how to allocate your funds. Upsell like a pro. Look for opportunities to add value and increase revenue without raising prices. Use Google Ads smartly. Make sure your keywords are optimized for local searches to attract your target customers. Customer service is everything. Quick responses can be the difference between a new customer and a missed opportunity. Never give up. The toughest time in business is usually the first year. Don't let setbacks stop you from moving forward. Leverage social media to build your brand. Kevin didn't just rely on traditional marketing methods. He used Facebook and Instagram ads to target his local audience, and that played a huge role in building brand awareness early on. Social media isn't just for big brands. It's a perfect platform for small businesses to reach a huge number of people for a fraction of the cost. The key? Be consistent with your posts, engage with your audience, and run targeted ads to get noticed. Invest in quality tools and equipment. Kevin started on a budget, but he quickly learned that investing in the right tools was crucial for scaling his business. Quality equipment not only helps you work more efficiently, but also ensures a better outcome for your customers. If you're running a service-based business, people will notice when you cut corners, so invest in the essentials that will elevate your work. Tools are your business's backbone. Treat them as such. Focus on retention, not just acquisition. Getting new clients is great, but repeat business is where the magic happens. Kevin's subscription model, where customers pay for recurring monthly cleanings, provided him with a steady income stream and high customer retention. By offering great value and convenience, he turned one-time customers into regulars. Focus on keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. Master time management. When you're starting out, you're wearing all the hats: marketing, operations, customer service, etc. Kevin struggled with balancing his work life and running the business, often working 60+ hours a week. Eventually, he hired a team to help share the workload, but the key to getting there is being strategic with your time. Learn to prioritize tasks that bring in the most revenue, automate what you can, and delegate responsibilities to others as your business grows. Now, I'm challenging you. If you've got a passion, go after it. Start small, scale smart, never stop hustling. If Kevin's story inspired you, it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and never let setbacks stop you. Whether it's mobile detailing, a completely different business, or anything in between, there's no better time than now to dive in. Want more tips on how to turn your side hustle into a business? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more Revenues Rebellion content, where we help you build the business of your dreams.